Want to find out the highest paying careers and their average salary? If you're looking to earn more money or you're just getting started in the working world, then this video is for you. We will take a look at some of the highest paying careers and jobs in the world to help you identify which career paid the most. You might be shocked at some of them. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get right into it. Prosthodontist. Average salary $196,916. Slightly different from a dentist. Prosthodontists are responsible for constructing oral prostheses to replace missing teeth or any other oral deformities. They are often referred to as dental plastic surgeons, as they do a lot of cosmetic work. If this sounds like an interesting career path for you, then you are going to need to get yourself either a doctor or dental surgery or a doctor of medicine to qualify yourself to practice. You also need a bachelor's degree of some kind to qualify for dental school. Internist. Average salary $198,317. Sometimes in life it can be difficult to determine what's causing pain in our body, especially if it's not immediately obvious on the outside. Internists are physicians that provide a diagnosis and not surgical treatment plans for internal injuries or diseases. They do not perform any surgeries at all and focus on acute illnesses like diabetes and high blood pressure and Alzheimer's. Many internists choose to specialize in one specific internal organ system, like the digestive system, and focus 100% of their energy on that. CEO. Average salary $200,114. To be employed as a Chief Operating Officer (CEO) by a company, you'll need to have gained a lot of experience in the managerial side of running a business and leadership qualities. You're responsible for leading and directing the company toward achieving its desired goals, as well as determining strategies and adhering to company and government policies, rules, and regulations. It often takes many years to reveal in work experience and a proven track record of success before an individual can be considered ready to become a CEO. Psychiatrist. Average salary $216,000. The next highest paying career in the world is that of a psychiatrist. Psychiatrists diagnose and treat disorders of the mind. They're paid to listen to patients' issues and determine the root cause of their problems. It's obviously a lot more detailed and systematic than that, but that is the long and short of it. If this sounds of interest to you, then you'll need to complete your medical training and then specialize in psychiatry. But as you can see, it could be worth your time and effort, as the average salary are approximately $216,000. Gynecologist. Average salary $235,214. In fifth place, we have a physician and specialized in medical care related to pregnancy and childbirth, as well as diagnosing, treating, and preventing disease of women. Gynecologists help maintain the women's reproductivity systems, and their tasks can vary greatly from one day to the next. For example, one day they might have to deliver a baby, and the next day they could be performing laser surgery to remove PHV cells, or just carrying out regular checks. Surgeon. Average salary $215,000. Surgeons are one of the highest paid careers in the world to pursue. It is also very easy to justify their average annual salary. as they're actually saving lives and improving people's overall well-being. Becoming a surgeon, depending on the specialism you choose, requires several years of extra study. After becoming a qualified doctor, you'll need to pick an area of interest to specialize in, and then do the required work to be able to practice as a professional surgeon. The more experience you have, and the rarer your specialized area of expertise is, the more money you're able to make. Anesthesiologist. Average salary $216,000. Anesthesiologists are physicians that are responsible for administering anesthetics prior to, during, or after surgery. They also have a number of other responsibilities, including dealing with emergency situations, giving advice on pain management, and carrying out assessments in critical care units. If becoming an anesthesiologist sounds like something you'd like to do as a career, then after becoming a doctor, you'll need to complete a further 4 years anesthesiology residency program. It is possible that you also need to sit a further examination from the American Board of Anesthesiology. Neurosurgeon. Average salary $381,500. The highest paying career in the world is neurosurgeon. This is a highly trained surgeon that has chosen to specialize in, diagnose, and surgically treat disorders of the central and peripheral nervous system. Neurosurgery is one of the most demanding medical professions and requires an extensive amount of training and education. For example, in order to earn the big bucks, you'll need to complete the normal 8 years of doctoral training, a 1-year internship in general surgery, and roughly 5 to 7 years in a neurosurgery program. Then, if you want to go one step further, you can complete a fellowship to specialize in one particular area. On top of all that, you'll need to find the time to stay up to date with all the latest advances in neuroscience and attend regular meetings, seminars, and conferences.